Another method essential for this project is the pop method. It removes the last element from an array and returns that element. When a method returns a value, you can think of it as giving the value back to you, making it available for use in other parts of your code. Create a new variable called popped and assign it to the result of rows that pop. Okay, so variable. Let's let's use const, for more consistency. And the variable would be named as popped, and then assign it to the result of accessing the rows with an interpolated method of pop. Okay, then log the pop to the console. Hmm. Oh, my bad. So that should be used as let. Anyways, nice.